Please take a few minutes to review important safety information and tips for the Multimatic 220 AC/DC, and remember to wear appropriate safety gear during setup and welding. Now, let's set up the Multimatic 220 AC/DC for welding the DC stick process. Plug the work lead into the receptacle labeled Work and turn clockwise to tighten. Insert the stick stinger into the receptacle labeled Stick. Turn clockwise to tighten. With QuickTech, the machine automatically determines the polarity for you. Connect the power. The multi-voltage plug, MVP, allows connection to common 120 or 240-volt power receptacles without the use of any tools. Simply choose the plug that fits the receptacle and connect to the power cord. Power up your machine. Using the Process Select arrows, select Stick Mode. Select the material thickness and rod diameter if you are using the Auto Set Elite feature. If Auto Set is on, the Auto Set button will be illuminated. Or if you are using the manual mode to set your welding parameters, set the amperage. As a guide, a parameter chart is located inside the door. Manual mode also gives you the ability to adjust your dig. The dig control lets you tailor arc characteristics for a wide range of applications. ProSet Dig is 30% for 7018 electrodes. Setting up the Multimatic 220 AC/DC for stick welding is as simple as that.